Are you look best gas fireplaces? Gas fireplaces have become a popular choice for homeowners seeking efficient, stylish, and easy-to-use heating solutions. They provide the warmth and ambiance of a traditional fireplace without the hassle of wood burning or extensive installation requirements. In this review, we tested 5 top-rated gas fireplaces within the $259.99 to $500 price range, evaluating them on factors such as heating performance, efficiency, design. Product 1. PROCOM QNSD 250RT VentFree Dual Fuel Stove. The PROCOM QNSD 250RT is a versatile, freestanding gas stove designed to heat spaces up to 1,100 square feet. Featuring patented dual-fuel technology, it can operate on either natural gas or liquid propane, delivering up to 25,000 BTUs of heat. With its compact design, realistic-looking logs, and remote control functionality, this model combines style and convenience. Its vent-free operation makes installation hassle-free, while its high efficiency, 99.9%, ensures minimal fuel waste. Additionally, the built-in oxygen depletion sensor, ODS, provides critical safety measures by shutting off the unit in case of low oxygen levels. During testing, the PROCOM QNSD 250RT impressed with its consistent heat output and ease of use. The remote control allows users to set and maintain their desired room temperature effortlessly, making it ideal for living rooms or medium-sized spaces. However, the unit's 50-pound weight and lack of portability may limit its placement options. While the design is functional, the aesthetic appeal of the logs could be improved to match higher-end models. Overall, this is a reliable mid-range option for those prioritizing efficiency and safety. Product No. Pleasant Hearth VFS2 PH30DT. 30. The Pleasant Hearth VFS2 PH30DT stands out as the premium option in this comparison, offering an impressive 30,000 BTU output. This vent-free stove can effectively heat spaces up to 1,000 square feet. Its dual-burner design creates a fuller, more realistic flame display, enhancing the ambiance of any room. Constructed from cold-rolled steel, the unit is durable and features a built-in thermostat for precise temperature control. Safety features such as an overheat sensor add peace of mind, though users should be aware of the California Proposition 65 warning regarding chemical exposure. This model performed exceptionally well in our tests, providing rapid and even heating across its coverage area. The dual burner system creates a visually appealing flame, making it ideal for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetics. However, its 78-pound weight and relatively high price point may deter some buyers. Additionally, the lack of a blower limits heat distribution in larger spaces. Despite these drawbacks, the Pleasant Hearth VFS2 PH30DT is a top choice for those prioritizing design and performance. Product 3. Duluth Forge DLS30R1 Dual Fuel Ventless Fireplace. The Duluth Forge DLS30R1 offers a versatile ventless log set with a robust 33,000 BTU output. Its patented dual-fuel technology allows operation with either natural gas or liquid propane, making it adaptable to various installations. The 9 hand-painted ceramic logs and included embers deliver a realistic aesthetic, while the remote control provides convenience for toggling between manual and thermostat modes. Safety features include a battery-assisted piezo ignition and oxygen depletion sensor, ensuring reliable operation. In testing, the DLS30R1 demonstrated excellent heating performance, covering up to 1,300 square feet efficiently. The remote control was intuitive and responsive, making it easy to adjust settings. However, the log's appearance, while realistic, may not satisfy buyers seeking ultra-premium aesthetics. Additionally, the 29.7-pound weight makes it lighter than competitors, but its freestanding design may limit installation options. Overall, This model is a strong contender for users seeking performance and flexibility. Product 4. Duluth Forge DLS30R2 Dual Fuel Ventless Fireplace. Similar to the DLS30R1, the Duluth Forge DLS30R2 offers a powerful 33,000 BTU output with dual fuel technology. This model upgrades the log design to a stacked red oak appearance, providing a slightly different aesthetic. The remote control allows users to adjust the flame manually or toggle the pilot on and off. Safety features, such as the oxygen depletion sensor and piezo ignition, remain consistent with the brand's emphasis on reliable operation. The DLS30R2 performed admirably in our tests, with its stacked red oak logs adding a distinct visual appeal. It heats spaces up to 1,300 square feet efficiently, making it suitable for larger rooms. However, the 55.9-pound weight makes it heavier than other models, which may pose challenges during installation. Additionally, the flame control options lack the precision of competitors. This model is ideal for buyers who prioritize aesthetics and robust heating power. Product 5. Duluth Forge DLS24T1 Dual Fuel Ventless Fireplace Log Set with Thermostat. The Duluth Forge DLS24T1 is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering a 33,000 BTU output and dual fuel technology at an affordable price. Its 8 hand-painted split red oak logs provide a realistic aesthetic, while the thermostat control ensures consistent heating performance. The unit is compact and lightweight at 14.32 pounds, making installation straightforward. Safety features, such as the oxygen depletion sensor and piezo ignition, enhance reliability. Despite its lower price, the DLS24T1 delivers impressive heating coverage of up to 1,300 square feet. The thermostat control was responsive and maintained steady temperatures during testing. However, the smaller log set may not appeal to users seeking a more substantial aesthetic presence. Additionally, the lack of remote control limits convenience compared to higher-end models. This is an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize functionality over premium features.